Jeff Bezos is feeling confident. Just last week, he gave a first look at the Blue Origin New Glenn rocket factory at Cape Canaveral, Florida, personally leading a tour of the factory and giving clear yet non-trivial explanations of how Blue Origin developed their rockets. While it's obvious that Jeff Bezos has had some media training, he comes off as genuine, hype-free, and knowledgeable. There was no fluff about colonizing Mars, no renders of sci-fi cities under domes, just what appeared to be an absolutely exquisite rocket factory. I started commenting about rocket companies various individuals and investors have funded recently because I was skeptical of applying agile project management to Elon Musk's Starship project. Having been a project management nerd from the very beginning of my career, when one of my first gigs was developing a customized project management program for a chemical company that made reagents for manufacturing chips, due to that career-long involvement, I got to know some of the history of how project management techniques were developed for big projects like Apollo and strategic nuclear submarines. Those project management techniques, like critical path analysis, resource leveling, and so on, don't translate well into the software business. I learned this firsthand when in the 1990s, before Agile was popular or even called Agile, I tried to apply tools like Mac Project and Microsoft Project to software development projects. But it goes the other way too. The systems analysis style toolset for managing projects like Apollo is tremendously powerful and predictive. Disregarding those tools just because the cool software kids do iterative product development with Agile is a bad idea. Rockets are the epitome of big, complex, multi-year projects. The more you can predict up front, the more you can compute in the digital domain using tools like computational fluid dynamics, the more likely your first mission is to succeed. In contrast, the first time a software development project actually starts up and does something, it's perfectly okay for it to be ugly, slow, crashy, and incomplete. Getting a system running is key to enabling iteration towards efficient completion of an agile software development project. Blowing up a series of rockets and parts of their launch pad is just less useful.